Okay, a friend of mine gave me this KitchenAid mixer to work on, and she said the beater is making contact with the front of the bowl, so I think we need to make an adjustment on this, the adjuster here, and see what is happening, okay? But before that, I think we need to make an adjustment with the pin and tighten that up because it is actually protruding out. So let's start with that, and then we'll make the head adjustment, okay? Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take the bowl off, okay? And put that to the side. And then we're going to put this down, lock it in, and then we're going to tilt this down on its bottom. And if you can see there, there's a screw right there, okay? So we're probably going to loosen that little screw up there, and we're going to then see, okay, if we can slide that pin up, and then we will tighten it, okay? So I'm going to try to do the best to film it as we do it, okay? So here we go. So we're going to loosen it counterclockwise, okay, and the pin, so the pin now, if you can see, the pin now moves, so I'll center it in there, and then I'm going to go back in here and tighten it down until it doesn't move, and oh, that looks good. And that seems good now, okay? So that's it. Now we're going to stand it back up and we'll make the tilt adjustment, okay? Alright, I got the head back straightened up and I have it locked into place. And it's already touching the bowl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a physical measurement and try to do a lift that's at about 5.5. So I'm going to try to make an adjustment before we actually put the bowl back on, okay? So I want to see if this works. You're supposed to take this screw right here and turn it counterclockwise to raise this up, or clockwise to make it go down deeper into the bowl. So we're going to go counterclockwise, and since it's already touching, okay, I'm going to go one turn and see what happens here. And we'll do a measurement, okay? Okay, let's see where we're at now. And we don't want to go too far because they say you don't want to drop it out. So let's see, did we go up? Oh yeah, look at that, it's gone up a 1/4 of an inch. I think I'm going to turn another 1/2 inch and then we'll test it with the bowl, okay? So let's go another, let's go a little bit, maybe a little bit more. There we go, a little bit more. There we go. Okay, and then we'll measure it again. And if you can see, yeah, we're up almost 3/4 of an inch, so I think we'll be good. So, with this head, I'm going to put the bowl back in and lock the bowl in place. Okay, I'm going to tilt that up. And this is the one that was making contact. It was broke. It was already hitting, so we're going to put this in here. Alright, we're going to put that down into the bowl. Okay, and then I got a dime here, they say. Here's my dime. I'm going to put it inside, okay, and see how lock the head. Okay, let's see. Is that locked? I don't know. It's not moving. Okay. Okay, and then turn it on. See how much that dime moves. Okay, I'm sorry. I had to plug it in. Okay, so let's see it again. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on, and look. The dime is just barely moving, so that's where we want it, about a 1/4 inch each time as it goes away. So that's just making barely contact, even in the front, it's just barely making contact with that dime. So they say that that's good according to the KitchenAid people, okay? So now it's not making contact with the bowl, so I think we're good. Alright, so if you missed it, we did the adjustment here with the screw on the bottom, and we did the adjustment of the bowl with that screw right there, and now it works good. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully your project works out as easy as this one did. Okay, thank you.